Fala, galera! Chegou aqui mais uma vez os BitBrothers Brasil. Hoje eu vou começar o show sozinho, porque o Mano Casca está um pouco ocupado. Daqui a pouco ele está chegando aí com a gente, né? I'm so sorry. I'm gonna have to start this again because it's supposed to be in English today. Oh my God. So I'm sorry, guys. We're supposed to, today's English. Sorry, I forgot. So welcome to the channel. We're BitBrothers, Crypto Brazil. Okay, I'm Papa BitBrother. Together with my brother Casquinha Crypto. We do this show for you. And remember, everything we say here is not financial advice. If you not subscribe to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. And leave your like and press the bell for notifications. Okay, guys. So today the market went down a little bit. So I'm going to talk to you a little bit. We're in a bear market already? What's going to happen? Isn't it? So without waiting too long, I'm Papa, and here we're going to go for the market today. Let me quickly share my screen with you, and we're going to see how the market is today. Let's go. Okay, guys, so as we see here, Bitcoin is at 36,622, 5% decrease today. Ethereum at 2,607. Okay, so everything went down, as we know, as always. Bitcoin goes down, everything goes down too. Okay, and so a lot of discounts today on the market. So check it out, like Solana at 12%. Decrease today. Wow, that's big. Okay, Terra Luna from 20% discount over the past week. Polkadot 10% today. It's all super cheap, the layer ones, guys. So of course, not financial advice. If you have money aside, I would say you could dollar cost average in. Okay, but of course be careful, because some specialists, of course, are very bullish on the market, and some still very cautious. Like I am, I'm very cautious at this point, because lots of people were expecting the market to go up, and it broke down. Okay, so but good news. Plan C said, I prefer my floor price band, but there's another floor price model I created using the Mayer multiple. So for those that are thinking we could go below 25K based on current data from this model, there's a 0.6% chance of that happening. So Plan C, it's a TA, right? So, and he developed a new price model where he shows the bottom price band, he calls. So in none of them reach the below 25K bear market bottom. Here he did a line where we do not reach. We can see it's going upwards. Okay, so a lot of people, the bearish people, will say, we're gonna go below 25,000. Okay, so I think it's a very short chance of that happen. So I think, it's very nice that we stick to what we have now. The best trade now is not trade at all. Just wait the market to really confirm everything that's happening. Good news here is that the US Federal Reserve is making some analysts bullish on Bitcoin again. Recent US economy data could spoil the Fed's hawkish plans for 2022. Signs of Bitcoin price recovery emerged early this week as investors shift away from the United States dollar on weaker than expected economy data. In details, Bitcoin's drop last week to below 32,000 was met with a healthy buying sentiment that pushed its per token rate as high at 39,300 on February 1st. As of Thursday, Bitcoin's price dipped below 37,000, but was still up 13% from its local bottom. Meanwhile, the US dollar index, DXY, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of top foreign currencies, rose to 97.441 last Friday, logging its best level since July 2020. However, the index had corrected nearly 1.5% to over 96 by February 3rd. So some market analysts saw the dollar's renewed weakness as a sign of the must be warning rate hike fears. For instance, Lynn Olden, founder of Lynn Olden Investment Strategy, tweeted that the US Federal Reserve reached a fewer high last week in terms of making more and more aggressive tightening scenarios, noting that the central bank may turn dovish as economic deceleration weak PMI data takes center stage. Okay, so what that means is like basically the economy, now as everybody's waiting to see what's going to happen with American economy, we see that it's still like very, very unstable in terms of like the printing money and the interest rates, right? So everybody's waiting, but for Bitcoin in the long run, this is very bullish because everybody's going to know that Bitcoin will be the best choice for everybody to go for. Okay. On the other hand, guys, we see here ETH. Yeah. So Sean Puri said, I think he's an investor. Yeah. So I go viral on Twitter sometimes by day, but I'm building $100 million kids brand. At night, I invest in stuff, Bitcoin like ETH, etc. So this guy, it's an investor who probably studied a lot the market. I think ETH is undervalued by 4x, and here's the math that shows why. I thought this was very nice for us to see, take into perspective everything that's happening with Bitcoin, and also I think this is show the importance of have our portfolio spread, right, guys? Don't put all your eggs in one basket, as always everybody says. Okay, and so usually when someone says ETH is going to 10K, it's driven by hopes and dreams, clickbait, or weak logic. If 1% of the world uses it. By Ryan Ellis, crypto quant investor, came out with a discounted cash flow model that values ETH at 10K today, trading at 2.6. So according to Ryan Ellis, is a crypto quant investor, he says that today we're supposed to be selling ETH at 10K, guys, and we're selling at 2.6K. Welcome, Casca, to the program.
Thank you.
I mess up very badly, so you're going to have to delete the beginning of the channel because I start in Portuguese. I realize it's Thursday, and then I change to English. So
that's okay. Leave there is not a problem.
Yeah, okay,
because
guys.
on the title there is a flag in English and in English.
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. You didn't send me the thumbnail. I was like, where's the thumbnail? So we didn't have music, no thumbnail, but yeah, we're done.
No, the thumbnail was on there when you got in. Was there?
No, but I couldn't put it on my screen, isn't it? Because I don't have on my computer. So anyway, guys, so I'm talking about ETH again. Casca will bring some more news about different coins at the end. And so stay with me here. So just so we finish this thought about why Casca, basically this guy says that in according to this guy, Ryan Ellis, he's a crypto quant investor. He said today, Ethereum is supposed to be selling at 10K today. So, and then he's like, let me try to explain his model in a way that doesn't require PhD. There are 3 key points. 1, ETH has real revenue. Every transaction in ETH has a fee. Those fees add up. In January, it was 1.3 billion in fees. The fees get split into 2 parts. The base fee, like ordering steak at a restaurant. The tip fee, like tipping your waiter. Where does the revenue go? 70% of the revenue, the base fee, is burned. They take ETH and burn it. Supply goes down, price goes up. Companies do this all the time. So the share buyback, they buy stock, get rid of it, and it drives the stock price up. Google ETH, watch the burn. There's a great website that shows you how much ETH supply is being reduced every day. Last 24 hours, $36 million worth of ETH was burned. Long term, this is why ETH believers created the term ultrasound money. BC ETH supply goes down over time. Okay, got it. 70% of the revenue is used for a buyback. So what about the other 30%? This will be paid to long-term ETH holders, stakers. This is like a dividend paid to ETH holders. No, this will happen when ETH 2.0 launches this year. We know how to value companies with cash flows. Ryan went to Harvard Business School, great school ever been. So he knows how to do a discounted cash flow model. Okay, so the Ryan guy who did this idea here, he went to Harvard. So quick pro tip: if you like to learn this kind of stuff, you should read email newsletter called the Milk Road. Let's enter the Milk Road just so we see. So if this guy got that from there, maybe we should follow. Okay, so that's one tip for you guys right there. Let's go to Tip Road and follow them. You can play with Ryan analysis. Let's go to Ryan as well. Follow Ryan Ailes. Ryan Ailes. It's a crypto quant fund investor. Let's put here, follow him. Okay, guys, this is all part of you building your knowledge. Okay, finding the right people, the people who are studying like every day, but not just studying. They're specialists in what they study. You know, like we always say, me and Casca are here to just maybe find these people for you as well. Okay, because we are looking at those guys to get our understanding of the whole market. Of course, you never really trust one person. That's why we always look into different people to see if their ideas match. Okay, this is the most important part of your studying every day. Find people who are doing well and then eventually compare ideas so we know which ideas are kind of most likely. Because of course we will find bearish people and bullish people. So, you know, if you just follow bullish people, you know that they're all going to talk about good things, but they forget to tell you that the market will crash and will crash when. So that's why have a balance. It's very, very important. Okay. So the model conservatively puts the present value of it at 10K, conservative. So, you know, that means that, you know, it could be much higher. Assumptions: the model assumes a 25% annual growth rate and a 30x PE ratio, the average of the SP 500. So he shows a graphic here that we can see. So yeah, guys, again, this is something that for us to go and check, because he put everything in numbers there for you to see how much this should be worth. And he explains everything here very precisely using Glassnode, Etherscan as well, which are very kind of, you know, good sources of information and very reliable source of information as well. Isn't it? Glassnode has all the metrics you can possibly imagine. Okay, there's also Glassnode on Twitter. So do I think he's right? Well, I do think he's undervalued, but I have a saying: there's more fiction in Excel than in the library. A model is only good as its assumption. Here's the risk I see in the model. Models are only as good as their assumption. Right now, most of the transactions happen on ETH and fees are high. Users don't like this. Developers don't like this. So the risks are, what if majority of things move to L2s? What if another L1 chain, example Solana, wins? But bigger point is, we have heard for years that crypto is rat poison, it's just speculation, not investment, not fundamental value. From value investor like Warren Buffett, that's wrong now. ETH now has real cash flows to using fundamental analysis. So yeah, let's all get rich, hold hands, and drink Caprisum from the bottom of the pouch. And if you like the learn stuff like this, get Milk Road daily email. It's free. Okay, so again, guys, what we take from this is that, you know, although the specialists saying that it's undervalued and everything, but again, it's speculations, as me and Casca always says to you. Everything on this world is speculation. You should take your own conclusions, own study, and because, you know, your money, it's very valuable, and you should really take care of it, because money doesn't accept. How do you say in Brazil, Casca? Money doesn't accept. Money não aceita. Money doesn't accept jokes, basically. Yeah, money does not accept jokes. Don't think your money is a joke. You can just put it there, here, and it's going to make you a millionaire. And also, nothing will come. You're not going to become a millionaire by simply trying to guess which coin is gonna explode. You're going to become a millionaire by spending time here with us in this world every day, trying to find a little bit here, little bit there, and then eventually your how can I say, your knowledge of the universe will make you go through clear paths as well. Okay, so that's it for today. From me, Casca will talk to you a little bit more. Yeah.
Let me share my screen here. Wait. Here we go. So there you go, Papa. No more complaints about the thumbnail. Thumbnail is there.
Crypto live, real live.
Crypto live. Hello, guys. I am Casquinha Crypto. I got here a little bit late today. Welcome. If it's your first time here, remember to smash the like button, follow the channel, subscribe, because like this, of course, you help our community to grow even more. Papa BitBrother, Casquinha Crypto no Twitter. As you can see here, Twitter is booming. I have 2,643 crypto friends that follow us here. One very nice thing you can do for us is go in Twitter, either comment or retweet this post that I did. It's pinned on my message. Basically, the moon call. His team is choosing a group, small YouTube channel to support and help to grow, and it would be amazing to work with to team up, BitBrother team up. That's why I said here, BitBrothers to the moon, Carl. So if you guys can put here tag, and put this hashtag here, will help a lot our channel to grow. I do have some news here. The first news is in DeFi. DeFi scammers tracked down after 25 million rug pull. Guys, please, 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 please be careful with rug pulls and scammer, because they are everywhere. And every time I got scammed 2 times. I got scammed 2 times in my career as a crypto trader, as a crypto investor. Please do check this video here. Crypto and how to survive is a video that I have posted on our YouTube channel this morning, and but it's already live. You already can see. Basically, I give you 3 different ways that you can survive in the bear market. Okay, and one of them is about NFTs and so on, where I explain. So please do be careful with scammers. And I saw this news here. So the digital finance world is one of the most complicated sector worldwide. This is because people can do anything they want and almost get away with it. This is why malicious actors take full advantage of what and carry out their criminal activities. While that is a fact, a one-person vigilant group was responsible for tracking a group of cyber criminals. According to the report, the DeFi scammers were responsible for the rug pull of $25 million belonged to stable magnet. So basically, guys, where scammers is everywhere. Okay, no matter where, if you are working in your shop, as a physical shop in a market, whatever you are working, physically or online, there is a scammer. Online in special, because you're behind the screen, right? You people behind the screen, they believe they have superpowers, and one of them it's scam people with good wills, good intentions, such as ourselves. So I have been scammed 2 times within NFTs project. But I'll tell you the reason why you the good thing that I had been rug pull scammed is good, because I can tell you and help you to prevent from being scammed yourself. And one of those things that you must do is do not FOMO in. So one of the things that you must do now, you must not do, it's FOMO in, fear of missing out. When you FOMO in, you are moved by emotion alone. So you are moved by emotion alone and no reason. And because of that, you get, you know what I mean? You, in Brazil, we say senta na graxa, right? You will sentar na graxa, vai caput. So do not FOMO in projects, because when you act out of emotions and no reason, you FOMO in, you don't check websites, you don't check the team, you don't check the project. Wait one sec, because Papa is live here and his noise is everywhere. It's like he's moving. So be careful with that, please. All right. So that's why I brought you this news here on the DeFi scam. All right. Oh, interesting news. Shiba goes real, makes announcement on Shiba themed restaurant. Yes, exactly what you hear. Shiba Inu devs have announced a real life project for the expansion of the Shiba blockchain system. Casquinha, is Shiba not a meme coin? It is a meme coin. Shiba is a meme coin, okay? But it's not like Dogecoin, for example, because I'll tell you, let's see if there is the Shiba site here. Let's go here on the Shiba Twitter, and we're gonna go here, Shiba token. Let's follow them so to know what's going on with Shiba. If you go here on the Shiba token site, a decentralized meme token that involved into a vibrant ecosystem. So Shiba is completely different than Doge. The only combination that they have is the dog, certo? Okay. So Shiba Leash, Bond, Shiba Swap, innovative reward system, the Shiba Incubator, and more. There is over 500,000 community members and it's growing fast. So if I would have to invest in a meme coins, I would rather choose Shiba over Doge for this particular reason. Bear in mind, this is not a financial advice. But if we go here to the chart, where is Shiba? Here. So Shiba is in a very, 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 very downtrend, correct? Going sideways here. But we can see the RSI going up. So if Shiba does goes all the way to the golden pocket here, is about 157% up. And Shiba at the moment sits at 0.0002 cents. So no financial advice, but as you can see, Shiba is growing the ecosystem, and it's nice. It's nice because I think the communities and the devs, they are trying to get away from the label of only being a meme coin. Some cryptocurrencies are based on real life projects that they aim to strengthen or enhance. Bitcoin enhances the payment process. Polkadot wants to make possible interoperability of different blockchain, while Avalanche is there to help the Avalanche affected family with payments, improving the DeFi experience. The more firm-rooted the reason for the existence of a blockchain system, the more it will perform in the market. So most blockchains set their purpose in advance and later launch their blockchain. It has been why most blockchain systems have gathered huge amounts of investments from market investors. So exactly what I said before, they are trying to get away from that label of being a meme coins, and they are expanding the ecosystem to become even more stronger. And I believe that all these things that Shiba is doing is will just make the token more valuable. So we are thinking here, but you know what? I am thinking already. I might even put couple of quids or pennies in Shiba, because if I don't need the money for the time being, or now in this bear trend, I would rather wait for the next bull run, holding something in this area here, right? That eventually it might, we don't know, but it might goes somewhere around here. Right? And that would not be bad at all. 302 at the moment is 402. I would not mind to go here, or even more, go around there, 003. Not bad. How much would that be? So now if I put, let's do a little small calculation here. So if I put $100 times 0.0002 times, $100 times 0.0002 equal, Papa, I'm doing a wrong math here. So is there, no, wait. Papa, 2 times 100, right? I'm doing wrong. No, it's the same. So how much, Papa, how much Shiba would I have? Wait, guys. I am being stupid here. Let's do here. Let's go here. Where Shiba? So if I have 100, look, if I have something, a computer that does to me. So this is the amount of Shiba that I would get now. Investing $100, I would have 4 million. 4 million, is that correct? 4 million coins, 837,929 Shiba, right? Imagine if Shiba, so I have 100, I invested, I have now, how many Shiba? Let's put 4 million. 4 million Shiba times, let's put 0.003. It's $1,200. So if, let's say you would invest now, or you would put $100 now, and it goes to that, you would get $1,100 more. Not bad. So just for you to see the possibilities, right? This is not a financial advice, right? I'm just a stupid guy here on the YouTube sharing content about something about crypto, something that we love. Yes, the other day I talked about India heading towards crypto legalization. This is awesome, guys. Imagine India become the next El Salvador. Crypto will do another crazy pump. One of the key themes for 2022 is the relationship between governments and the crypto industry. On today's show, Neil W looks at the latest from India, one of the countries with the highest degree of speculation on whether banning or regulating it's the path forward towards cryptocurrency. Guys, and this is amazing. This is amazing because if another country adopt Bitcoin as a legal tender, or even create a new token to the country, towards the country, it's huge. It's huge because at the moment, if we look here in the market cap, we have $1,771,000,000.
Billion.
Billion dollars, desculpa. $1,771,000,000,000, right? Right. So remember, on the all-time high, we reach like very close to the line of $3 trillion.
You can even say that, isn't it? Yeah, 3 trillion. 3
3
trillions.
trillion.
3 trillions. É dinheiro demais. It's too much. It's a lot of money. It's a lot of
money that you don't even know where to put. $3 trillion, right? Imagine if another nation, another country accepts Bitcoins as a legal tender. That means the amount of money that will that will flow into the crypto market is unbelievable. And then from now, so that's what I'm saying, within the next 5 to 10 years, let's say, if we have around 50 to 60% of the world population accepting crypto, guys, the amounts of money that will be flowing inside the market is unbelievable. Now, Bitcoin sits at $36,768. That means, and this is at $1,771,563,000,000. So imagine if we have 10 trillion, $20 trillion in the market, how much will Bitcoin be valued at? $250,000, $500,000, $1 million.
$1 million. $1 million.
No, that's what I'm saying. How much?
Easy,
$1 million. So imagine now you put one Bitcoin in your pocket, and within the next 10 years, you will be a millionaire just by holding your asset, just by holding an asset that you believe that it can change the monetary system of the world. So that's why I'm telling you, you are
early,
very, very, very early into this space. So do not, absolutely not underestimate the cryptocurrency and the DeFi project, right? Anyway, talking about DeFi, Consensus acquires open source Ethereum wallets to expand MetaMask. And why I'm saying this? Because 99.9% of the crypto people involved in the crypto space use MetaMask. Either you have used already or you will use, right? MetaMask. Why? So blockchain infrastructure. Sometimes when you speak many different language, your mind translates to one thing and then you want to say another thing, and then you just go so blockchain infrastructure company Consensus has acquired open source crypto wallets MyCrypto in a bid to eventually merge the two products. That's very interesting, to be honest. MyCrypto is set to be combined with MetaMask, Consensus Ethereum wallets, to boost security and increase usability. Both companies said Tuesday terms of the deal were not disclosed. Dan Feynman, the co-founder of MetaMask, said, in a statement that the collaboration will be better placed to help users make the best decisions through they rapidly evolve with the Web3 wallet landscape. MyCrypto has consistently been one of the most reliable and intercompatible wallets in Ethereum, often shipping cutting-edge Ethereum featuring ahead of other wallets, while MetaMask has focused on general purpose dApp interaction. There we go. Finally, I said that. So MyCrypto, founded in 2015, support Ethereum wallets via web browser and desktop, while MetaMask employs mobile and browser extension. The idea in combining the two wallets is to create a product that supports desktop, mobile, and browsers-based wallets. With the rapid growth of the ecosystem and products racing to ship slick feature, it is imperative that the leading wallet continues to build foundational and secure self-custody tools that empower the users. Guys, this is very nice because we all use MetaMask. And if they can do something that will help the ecosystem, if they can do something that will help us to move around the Web3, move around the crypto space easier, or from your mobile, from your laptop, from whatever, it's very nice, very nice. Papa already spoke about the market, so I think guys, for me now is no time to sell nothing. So time only to position yourself. It's time to start. Look what I'm gonna. That's what I said on the video that I post today. It's time to start to think of what should I start be doing if the bear markets, or at least these bear trends, last longer. Then the question you start to think is, am I gonna use, I have money in stable coins or in fiat or whatever, should I position myself? Do I have Bitcoins? So I should find a place. Are you gonna take off the Bitcoins now? What about if we stay like this for a while? And then you need to think of, do I have Ethereum? Do I have Bitcoins? Do I have ADA? Do I have this? What would be the best thing to do? Keep those assets, those coins on my wallet, gain dust? Or would you think, maybe if I'm not going to use this for a while, maybe I should find a way or a utility to those tokens to make you more money, right? So in the bear markets, you just don't say, but Casquinha, we'll make like $100. Well, if you had 1,000 and you stake and you made 100, now you have 1,100. It's better than just 1,000, correct? We are in this game to make money, guys, right? So it doesn't matter if it's 1 cent or $1,000. So you need to start to think. I don't think myself that is the bear market yet, but I think we are in a bear trend that we don't know how long it's gonna last. We don't know if it's the super cycle, what it is at the moment. But the fact is that we are downtrend. We are not up there. We are like 80-70% down from all-time high, right? And we don't know for how long that's gonna last, because the crypto space is unpredictable. We are everybody hoping there is a small trend in the uptrend line in the chart on this, but it's not moving. So we need to start to think, what should I do with my honey? So either you, and please do watch this previous video that I posted today. It's very interesting about these 3 ways that you can survive on the bear market. Of course, doing your own diligence, make sure that you do your own research, as the opinion expressed here, the opinion expressed by the guests and viewers do not reflect the views of this beautiful channel. Listen, are encouraged to do your own research, as we always do. Me and Papa, we always bring to you here the best information we have. Um, that's guys.
Casca, just one thing before we just taking this you said, it's very important, guys. That's why we always say invest as much as you can afford to lose, because all of this thing that's happening now, it just goes away. You just say if you believe in the projects you invested in, if you personally, if you invested in the layer ones and some layer twos like Polygon, which become layer one found coins like that's a very strong at the moment and very strong projects behind. For the near future, you can just relax. They will go back to their highest. We can take 1 year. But like I said, if you put down your mind that that money there is your investment for the future, it will make you more relaxed. Guys, believe me, don't take that money for nothing. Leave it there. Don't look at your wallet now if you down, like I'm doing. I'm down. I keep saying to Casca all the time, Casca, I'm down. And some days it's terrible to look at your portfolio, because, you know, I was up quite a lot. I'm not down in everything. I still have profit in some, but, you know, the ones you're losing sometimes it's quite a lot. So for example, I keep saying to you guys, I'm very exposed in Chainlink, and I got Chainlink at $40, $35. Chainlink is 15, 16. But I know Chainlink, it's amazing. I know Chainlink is going like on a steady trend for a long time, and it's about to explode. And when it explodes, I'm positioned, and I don't have to worry anymore. So of course, I know some people can get much more money than I can, because if you expose yourself now, for example, if you take me, that I'm exposed at 44, 45, 30, 35, 25. I DCA all the time. I bought at 20 as well. So, but it's still my average is like I made my average is 30. So I'm 50% down on my Chainlink really at this point, almost 50%, so which is a lot. But am I stressed? No. I'm gonna sell. No, I'm not gonna sell. You know, but what I can do is take some, if I'm overexposed, which I'm not, I can take some coins and take the loss, but invest straight away in something else that I know that's going to explode. Maybe Phantom, maybe Polygon as well. But maybe it's just trying to time the market. So I think we tried before, it doesn't work. And all the people, everyone who's in the market for 5 years, guys, goes wrong. So if you see Crypto Bunter, it's a very famous YouTube channel. He bought this coin Credo at $10. Today is trading at $250. So it's someone who is a multi-millionaire doing things like that. And he says, it's like, oh man, I FOMO'd in at this stage of my life. And sometimes it happens, isn't it? We just FOMO, you think it's gonna be amazing, then just boom. So yeah, don't think you're not gonna do a mistake. We all still gonna do a lot of mistake. Yeah, if you see Crypto Bunter, Beach Boy Crypto as well, he said Beach Boy is like half in his portfolio, and he said I tried to time the market. I didn't sell at the top because I didn't think was the top. I'm down, so now what can I do? So if these guys are doing that, imagine us that is here for 1-2 years. They're here for like 5 years. So yeah, you know, take everything on board and just enjoy the ride. Be relaxed, and let's go together to conquer this world.
Yes, yes. And remember, if you go to our Twitter,
guys, support us on this. We need the moon to help us.
You can help us on this. Will be very, very nice. Will help us.
Take a screenshot, please. Take a screenshot of this and send to the moon. Vai, Casca, faz joinha aí pra galera.
Aqui, ó, esse lado aqui. Desse
lado aqui. Sim, né? Não, é sim, né? Aí, screenshot, guys. Vai, Pepito, send to us.
So, guys, thank you very much. I hope you guys had a great show. Learn a lot of things. And yes, I'll see you guys on the next show. Anything else, Papo? No, né?
That's it.
Hello, galera.
Have a nice weekend, everybody.
Very, very, very much. Oh, yes. No, it's Thursday today.
Yeah, but in English, it's just next week now, isn't it?
True. All right, guys. So we will be putting more updates on in English videos. There's a lot of stuff to talk about, PulseX, other projects in English. So if you are here until now, remember, smash the like button, follow the channel, and share our content.
And help us, guys. Send us suggestions for content for the videos as well. This really helps us to develop the channel. Thank you very much.
All right.
See you next week.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.